Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can manage or customize your landing page bot. So on the BotPenguin platform, you can create a unique link for your landing page bot. You can simply share the link with your users on social media or contact pages, and with just one click, you can redirect your users to your landing page bot. Now let us discuss how you can manage or customize the landing page bot. You have to firstly select the bot for which you want to create a landing page. On the left hand side, you will find the bots option. Just click on it and choose a website chatbot from the list. If you want to know how you can create a new website chatbot, the link of the video will be provided in the description box below. You can check it out. For the time being, I am selecting this website chatbot. After selecting your chatbot, you will land on this page. Then you have to navigate to the website chatbot settings section. Here we have the different subsections. In the design section, you can customize the design of your website chatbot and your landing page bot. In the general section, you can configure some general settings for your chatbot. In the alert section, you can configure the alerts for the new leads. In this section, you can manage your bot's trigger settings, and from this section, you can customize where you want your bot to appear. From this section, you can customize the chat window settings, and here you can customize the AI settings, that is your bot personality, or you can also manage flow and adjust the ChatGPT model. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. Now let's come back to the landing page bot. In the design section, you will find two options. First one is the website chatbot and the second one is the landing page bot. From the website chatbot section, you can customize your chatbot for the website. And to customize the settings for your landing page bot, you have to click here. Again, we have the three subsections here. Let's firstly talk about the content section. Here you can change your landing page name. For example, I am changing this name to. You can give any name to your landing page bot, and you can see the name has also been changed here. Here you can edit the landing page header. Whatever heading you want to show to your users, you can type it here. You can also see the preview of the landing page bot on the right hand side of the screen. For example, I don't want this line, so I am removing this from here. I just want to keep this is your heading text. And after editing your header, you have to click on the Save Changes option to save the changes. And as you can see here, the heading text has been changed. Similarly, you can also change the landing page description. This will be shown under your heading text. By enabling this button, you can hide the content from your landing page bot. That means this text will be hidden once you save the changes. As you can see, the changes has been saved and the text is now hidden. The users can only see the chat window for the landing page bot. As you can see in the preview, this is the logo for your landing page bot now. If you want to change the logo, you can select your file from here. I am selecting this file for a demo purpose and my logo will be changed. If you want to add any social media links to your landing page bot, you can do it by clicking on this button. Here you can select the social media type like LinkedIn, Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, anything that you want to select. For the demo purpose, I am selecting Instagram here. And then you have to enter your social media link here. For example, I am putting the link of BotPenguin's Instagram. You can similarly add the link of your own brand and then click on the add link option. And you can see the Instagram has been connected to the landing page bot. If you want to add any other social media link as well along with this, you can do it again by clicking on this button. And finally, to save all these changes, you have to click on the Save Changes button. And your changes will be saved. Then we have the theme section where you can customize the theme of your landing page bot. You can select the chat window style from here. This one is the classic style and this one is the modern style. You can choose the bot icon from here. As you can see in the preview, this is the bot icon for my landing page bot. I want to change the bot icon to this, so I'll select that. You can also choose the landing page theme color. I am selecting black for now. And you can also change the landing page background. You can choose any of the color from these and you can also select any color from the color palette available here. You can click on the gradient option if you want a gradient background for your landing page bot. Similarly, you can also choose any image. You can select the file from your system and upload it here, and it will be set as your landing page background. And you can also add any video to your landing page background by uploading the video file here. If you want to change the font for your bot, you can do it from here. You can choose any font from the list. For now, I am selecting this. And if you have any font saved in your system, you can also upload it by clicking on this button. And then you have to click on the Save Changes button to save all these changes. As you can see, the font and the logo has been changed. Then we have the layout section. Here you can choose the layout for your landing page bot. This is the standard layout. You can also choose the right layout. That means your landing page bot will open at the right side of the screen. And you can also choose the merged layout and then click on the Save Changes button to save all these changes. And as you can see, once I click on the Save Changes, the layout has been changed to what I have selected. So that was all about how you can manage or customize your landing page bot. If you need any more help, you can also refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.